Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of March, 2025, our system has categorized Microsoft as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.52. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, yet it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently rests within the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 11.56% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -15.63% and -6.58%. In considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around -2.74%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -6.09% to 13.94% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $367.45 and $445.80. Our latest daily update for Microsoft features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Microsoft Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Microsoft stock price increased by 1.14% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, rising from $386.84 to $391.26. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.30%, with a day low of $382.92 and a day high of $391.71. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, although it is still down by 0.52% over this period. Notably, trading volume increased on last day in conjunction with the price rise, indicating a positive technical signal, with a total of 20 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 39 million shares were exchanged for approximately $15.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $468.35, while the lowest price was $377. Currently, the price stands at 16.46%, or $77.09, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft Corporation is drawing investor attention today, amidst a mix of sentiments reflected in recent trading activity. On one hand, the stock narrowly avoided its first 8-week losing streak since 2008, suggesting a potential turnaround and offering a glimmer of hope for investors who may be cautious about its current trajectory. This late rally can provide a short-term boost in confidence, as it indicates resilience against broader market challenges. However, emerging concerns are also present. Microsoft's president has expressed strong opposition to proposed business taxes in Washington state, warning that these measures could cause lasting harm to the local tech ecosystem. Such regulatory challenges could weigh heavily on investor sentiment and might increase operational costs, potentially dampening growth prospects in the long term. Additionally, as competition in quantum computing intensifies, Microsoft's involvement in this cutting-edge technology could signal future growth potential, as advancements in this area are crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. With governments worldwide continuing to allocate significant funds toward this field, Microsoft's innovation strategies may attract long-term investors seeking sustainable growth. Investors would be prudent to monitor these developments closely. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, in the year 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, in the year 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Microsoft an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, in the year 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Microsoft a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, in the year 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned Microsoft a hold rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, in the year 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Microsoft a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general buy rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and thus far, it has risen by 3.3%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising along with the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the near-term developments. The Microsoft stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $399.62. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support from the short-term average at $386.50. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will result in an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 35 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 37 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $388.61. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a robust volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $8.79, which is an increase of 2.3% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.9%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.20. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $388.61. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 13th of March, 2025, Emma N. Walmsley conducted an insider purchase of 1,245 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Carlos A. Rodriguez executed an insider purchase of 859 shares of restricted stock units. Also on the 13th of March, 2025, Penny S. Pritzker made an insider purchase of 28,629 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Sandra E. Peterson conducted an insider purchase of 54,057 shares of restricted stock units. Lastly, Catherine McGregor made an insider purchase of 2,397 shares of restricted stock units on the same day. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 26.789. In total, insiders purchased 176,976 shares while selling 300,294 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $371.55, reflecting a decrease of 5.04%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which contributes to a lower risk profile. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, which means to hold or accumulate shares while we wait for further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 24th of March, we anticipate that Microsoft will open lower by $2.63, starting at $388.63. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.